Okay guys, now we're going to do part 3, which is how to create our background. Okay, so we're going to start off with a rectangle. And I already have the color set up because I was practicing with it a few minutes ago. But you want to do this one for the color. And this one's going to be 4 by 14 or 22 by 12. Let's see. 22 by 12. And then let's see. The next one's going to be 4 by 40. And then let's just do an ellipses. That's 20 by 20. Okay. So then we're going to line these up so they look like a musical note. There we go. Might move that over there. Yeah. There we go. Okay, so then once we have that the way we want it, I'm going to select it and then group. And then we're going to use that direct selection tool to edit it. And what I'm going to do to be able to see that is hit my Control+ button. And then maybe even do it again. Okay. There we go. And let's see. This one. Here we go, guys. Okay. So then I'm going to hit Control- to be able to get out of that. Let's see. Okay. So that's that one. And now we're going to duplicate the musical notes 4 times and rotate the copies and change their scales. Okay, so we're going to end up with 4. So I'm going to hit Command-T, Command-V, Command-T, Command-V, or Command-V. Once you already have it copied, you don't need to do Command-C again. Okay, and then I'm just going to, I can size them like that if I want. Easier than trying to do scales. And let's see. Rotate them. Now this does not have to be any certain kind of way. You can do whatever you want for that. I'm not checking. Let's see. And you can do more than 4 if you want. Let's see though. See, they did 5 anyway, so. Okay, so once we have that how you like it, you can go and group that. And then base that we have another group. This one we're going to arrange, or sorry, transform, and then reflect, like okay. I'm going to put it on this side so that they match. step 22, and then now here for step 23, we're going to do an 800 by 600 rectangle. So that's going to be the same size as the canvas. Okay. And let's see. Draw it across. It's going to look like your artwork's disappeared, but it hasn't. And then it wants us to create a gradient. So if I do a gradient, sometimes the gradient can be picky. Let's see. Radical gradient. So it's this kind. So it'll change the color, but I can change that by copying and click this and do, or hold on, up here. Oops. Let's see. There we go. And then other part of the gradient is going to be this color, so click on that black. And do that. Okay, so there's our gradient, and then we're going to arrange and send it to the back. Okay. And then I'm just going to move this so that it looks a little more appealing. Might even stretch it out just a little bit. There we go. Move those. I want it kind of centered up on the circle. And there you go, guys. That is it. You are done. Make sure that you save this. You can screenshot it or save it and then turn it into the turn-in box. And we're good.